And now she's gone. Be nice, Zeke. Oh, that was really cute. Oi, Sunny.
Sunny.
Oi, come on. Zeke.
Come on, settle down.
Come on.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Who's that? Who's that?
Where are you going? It gets a bit treacherous around here.
How's Zeke got him with trash and stuff? Is he
Yeah, no, he's great.
Oh, good.
He hasn't trashed anything.
That's what I'm worried about now.
Oh, he grabs shoes every now and then when you leave him out, but he doesn't do anything to them.
Yeah. Oh, Zeke. Gently, darling. Sunny, come here. Zeke, just be careful.
He's just excited, aren't you? He's like, yay, a new friend.
Oh my god, it walks. Sunny. There we go. I know. He's very big, isn't he, darling?
She likes sticks too. That's what I'm trying to get
Not as
her.
high as I thought, darling. Hey? Maybe not. Oh, here we go. Oh, I think she wants to do a shit or something. I don't know what's going on. I might just close that so she does what she does over there.
Oop.
Can you see yourself, Sunny? Gently. Oh my god.
Just nicely, Zeke.
It's like a horse compared to her.
Yeah.
You'd love someone to play with, wouldn't you? So
He
you
would
guys gonna
indeed.
get a girl?
What's she doing to you, Zeke?
You do away. Oh. So is Jane working today? Oh,
Oi, Zeke.
gently.
Just nicely. You have to be a big brother now.
Yeah. God, I just can't believe how big he's gotten. You are a big boy, aren't you?